Hi everybody, today I show you this one. This I will unbox it and for you to see. This is easy fill tab, and that's used to fix your garden hose. Let's go. See. Yeah. Okay, waterproof, airtight seal, the original super glue, professional, and what else? Seal wet or dry leaks. That's seal the wet and dry. No sticky residues. UV resistant, permanent, flexible, function. Yeah. Okay. And this is 1 inch by 10 feet. In the back. Okay. Let me open it for you to see, and then I will go to seal the garden hose. See that you see it. Where I need to tear it down. Okay. I drop in this practice like this, and yeah. I think this one you have to put. Which one? I don't know. I will show you later, but it's like this. It's a 10 feet. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. When I do, I fix. I will show you how to see how it's work. Does it work or not? And so I will let you see. I did try to fix another way, but it didn't work out. Okay.